What is machine learning? Machine learning is a concept that allows computers to learn from examples and experience automatically and imitate humans in decision making without being explicitly programmed. It is a branch of AI that uses algorithm and statistical technique to learn from data and draw patterns and hidden insight from them. Now we have to discuss types of machine learning. There are basically three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. First is supervised learning. In supervised machine learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data sets that include text describing each piece of data. Means each and every data set have particular label. In other words, the algorithm are fed data that includes an answer key describing how the data should be interpreted. For example, an algorithm may be fed images of flower that include text for each flower type so that it will be able to identify the flower better again when fed a new photograph. Supervised learning basically used in risk management, image classification, in fraud detection. It will contain regression and classification are two main areas in supervised learning. So, regression algorithms are used if there is a relationship between the input variable and the output variable. It is used for prediction of continuous variable such as weather forecasting, market trend, etc. So, supervised learning in supervised learning, regression basically used numerical data, and in classification, algorithm are used when the output variable is categorical, which means there are two classes such as yes and no, male and female, true and false. Now, second, unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning uses unlabeled dataset to train algorithm. In this process, the algorithm is fed data that does not include text, which require it to uncover patterns on its own without any outside guidance. For instance, an algorithm may be fed a large amount of unlabeled user data pulled from a social media site in order to identify behavioral trends on the platform. Unsupervised machine learning is often used by researchers and data scientists to identify patterns within large unlabeled data set quickly and efficiently. Unsupervised learning classified into two categories of algorithm: clustering and association. So, clustering problem is where you want to discover the inherent grouping in the data, such as grouping customer by purchasing behavior. Another algorithm, association. An association rule learning problem is where you want to discover rules that describe large portion of your data, such as people that buy X also tend to buy Y. Now, third, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning uses trial and error to train algorithm and create models. During the training process, algorithms operate in specific environment and then are provided with feedback following each outcome. Much like how a child learns, the algorithm slowly begins to acquire an understanding all of its environment, begin to optimize actions to achieve particular outcome. For instance, an algorithm may be optimized by playing successive game of chess, which allows it to learn from its past success and failure playing each game. Thanks for watching video.